Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
That's the biggest ovation so far. That's just shy of a standing ovation for Whistlindiesel.
He said if he wins the Lambo, he's going to set it on fire immediately.
I would cry.
So, I mean, I believe the guy. He crushed some like $12,000 Dior's with his loader. That was incredible.
Yeah, yeah.
Not a fan, Travis. Like, I don't.
No, you know, to each their own. He did the shoe durability test.
Hey, he's wearing them right now. They're a nice work boot, he said.